We're looking at the hurricane barrier, which was built from 1962 to 1966. Anytime the tides rise from a hurricane or from a storm surge, they close these massive gates and they protect us. I'm John Bullard. I was mayor of New Bedford from 1986 to 1992. The reason it was built is we had a very powerful hurricane in 1954, Hurricane Carol. I remember boats all up on the shore, fishing boats, recreational boats, destroyed. They were crashing into each other. They were crashing into all the boatyards. There was destruction of mills and office buildings. The devastation was incredible. People decided that they would build a hurricane barrier that's 3.5 miles long with 3 gates. It encloses New Bedford Harbor and protects about 1,400 acres, including most of the manufacturing base of New Bedford, the entire fishing fleet, all of the downtown. It cost about $18 million back in 1966, and it has paid for itself dozens of times over.